Well, I had this issue with my computer where all of a sudden, last week it would play MP4's, and this week it would not. And I tried to think of anything. There's nothing. The only thing I installed was I didn't install anything. I can't think of anything I installed. I don't know why it didn't. It wouldn't play any MP4's. So what would happen is I'd click on the MP4 and it would Windows Media Player would open up, and it would start to, it was like the line that goes across the bottom, and it would start, but there was no picture, and then it was like it was loading something, and then it just froze, and it froze the whole computer up. The only way I could get it to stop, to get back, is I had to hold in the on button. It was on my mini computer, my NUC, which is, I think it's like new user computing, something like that. And it's a 7-year-old computer, but I installed Windows 11 on it and got all the drivers and everything. It runs really nice. It's I really like it. But anyway, so back to the story. So I started thinking, well, maybe the codec corrupted or the video driver. So I tried I had the video driver up as far as it would go. I had it, the resolution, and so I put it down to the recommended size, resolution, and I redid the drivers. There's no new drivers for this, and there never will. So I just uninstalled the video driver and then reinstalled it, and that didn't make any difference. So I noticed that I remember the VL video player or media player. It has its own built-in codecs. So I downloaded that, and the MP4 files, any MP4 files would play within that. And so I said, well, that's a start. It said it's probably my codecs. So I've always been using K-Lite codecs for probably close to 30 years. And so I downloaded the full package and installed it and rebooted the computer, and it still didn't work. So I started thinking, well, it's probably Windows Media Player. So what I did is I went to Programs and Apps. Where is that? Programs. Add and remove programs. And I scrolled down to Windows Media Player. And I went down to Media Player. Clicked on Media Player. And then these 3 little ellipses right here. I clicked on More Options. And I clicked on Uninstall. Oh wait, that's I clicked on uninstall, and so I uninstalled Media Player, and I rebooted the computer, and then I went to the Microsoft Store, and I just typed in Media Player. And it tried to give me something called Yellow Elephant Media Player or something like that. And so then I typed in Windows Media Player, and it gave me the original Windows Media Player. I installed that, and it fixed what was wrong. Now I can play MP4's again in my Windows Media Player.